Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. Start by accessing calendar and tapping on it. Oh, it's over here. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon located at the bottom right corner. Now you can customize your event however you want to, by for example adding a title, selecting color, picking starting hour, clicking save over here, clicking on ending one, or turning off this feature by tapping on all day. You can also select location, take notes, and even set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before. When you're done, select save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to get rid of it, you need to hold it, tap on delete, and confirm your choice by tapping on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!